What's up everyone? This is my 1982 Golf Mk1.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex, we look at the clips.
This car was left by my grandfather and it was sitting for 12 years. But to everyone's surprise, we managed to get it running just by changing the battery. After that, I changed the oil, the fuel filter, the oil filter. Basically gave this car a full regular service. After that, I challenged myself with the hardest job possible by changing the timing belt in this car. Now to you that would be easy, but to someone that doesn't really know what the hell is going on, it was a tough job. But we managed to do it. So if you have checked out my previous videos on this car, you would know that this car is basically a rusty shitbox. The floor is actively disintegrating. You cannot jack up this car safely. The rear wheel arch is actively disintegrating as well. It's very rusty where the suspension connects. So you would assume that the next logical thing in my process of restoring this car would be to deal with the rust, right? Wrong. The next logical thing is to, of course, go on Temu and buy every item you can find on a Golf Mk1. So we have a lot of items that I bought from Temu. We have new floor mats, we have new door handles, we have new gear knobs, we have gear linkage system fixes, we have 1000 stickers basically. We have battery holders, basically stuff like this. So let's start fitting it all to my car. Now, because I'm lazy and I'm procrastinating fixing the gear linkage shift because it's complicated and I couldn't find a guide on it, we're going to start with the easiest jobs. And the easiest of them all is changing the floor mats. Here's how they look like now. Now, I'm from the Balkans, so I couldn't really get normal carpets. Of course, I had to get Slavic carpets, right? Isn't Temu great? Let's change these ones. Oh my God. This is the most perfect thing I have seen in my life. It's so appropriate, I think. Heat. I love it. This is such a big upgrade. I assume many of you thought that I would forget the boot, but I didn't. The random radio in the boot, of course. I'm really happy with how the boot came out. It's fucking sick, to be honest. In line with my Balkan heritage. These door handles work about maybe 10% of the time. The other 90%, they don't. So sometimes I leave my windows open so I can open the car from the inside. Because, as I said, 90% of the time they don't work. But these new door handles are really cheap on AliExpress. And they're decent quality, to be honest. Probably not OEM quality, but they're not bad. At least they're 100 times better than what's on the car right now. So you also get a set of keys for them. So if you saw one of my previous videos where I found like 20 keys for this car, this is the reason why the car has 20 keys. Because the door handles keep breaking, people keep changing them and keeping the old keys. Now it worked. Anyways, it's just one bolt here, then one bolt in the door handle and it should come right out. So let's do that.
Rolling all night like flex, we look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home, I got what I wish for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list.
Anyways, that's the old one, fuck that. This is the new one. I'm just going to clean this up a bit first though.
Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love, checking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck, win in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Avoid it, we cruising like
To be honest, that took way longer than I expected. But we finally have a new door handle. And it works perfectly.
I made for the space, gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Oh, stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go.
After changing the door handles, I think it's time to change the doorknob. As you can see, this one is very worn out. I have no idea if the one I bought will fit this car, but it comes with 3 adapters. So it's probably universal and these adapters will help, but we'll see. I don't know how to remove this one though. There we go. That's so bad. I'll clean it up a bit. Let's see if this one is a straight fit. Nope. Let's see the adapters. That's so much better. If you saw any of my previous videos, you'll know that the battery in this car is basically without any brackets. So it's free to move around, which gives me anxiety when I drive. There should be a system to strap it down, but because this car is so old and some of the previous owners, maybe even my grandfather, broke the metal holders which holds the battery. So Temu sells universal battery holders, so I'll try to install this. They even look somewhat cooler because this metal bracket goes on the top of the battery, I believe, like this. So it looks cool. So let's do that.
If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about Bennett. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same.
It's good now.
Back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like
Now I bought this pen from Temu, which is chrome coloring paint marker. And I have always wondered whether this work or not. So I just figured this is the best time to try it out because as you can see, this badge has lost all its color. It should be gray. I think this is a good time to mention that I have had the lowest grade for art subject in high school. So I don't know how this will go, but I'll try my best.
Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love, checking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck, win in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Avoid it, we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look in my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog.
Oh my god, I'm so impressed with how this came out. I had zero hope that it will come out like this. But these pen markers are really good, it seems like, for stuff like this. I'm not sure how long this color will hold. I imagine not very long, but to be honest, this is 100 times better than what it was before. And it took me so long. I hated it. I hated it. Also, this is to my high school art teacher. Fuck you. Actually, I'm kidding. She was a sweetheart. I was just a really bad kid and I didn't learn a lot. So This is great, amazing. It's sticker time. Now, most of you probably know that I am still procrastinating about fixing the gear shift linkage system in this car, but I don't care. I got a lot of stickers and some of them are really funny. For example, I identify as electric. I think this is an electric car, in my opinion, and it's not good to shame anyone. So if my little Golf thinks it's electric, it should be electric, and you should respect that, okay? Another one, in rust we trust, because this car is actively disintegrating. Then we have certified shit box. No airbags, we die like real men. This is a good one. Old and slow, because this car ain't fast, bro. Let's see here. We have the signature Yugoslavia sticker, because I'm from the fucking Balkans, man. Also we have make diesel great again. This is something else. This is something else. This as well. And the most important one, YouTube certified mechanic. That's me. So when this car is on the side of the road with the hood open and the engine blown out, people know why that is. So let me choose a location for all these stickers, then I'll put them on.
They talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab. I don't move the same. Off of the password, back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping the page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing.
I put most of the stickers on the car and I just think a lot of them are very funny. One of the stickers, for whatever the reason, was every letter a separate sticker. So I just didn't put that one. I don't know in which factory in China someone thought that would be a good idea, but anyways, let's continue with the Temu upgrades. Unfortunately, I cannot put off fixing the gear shift linkage system anymore, because this is the last product that I bought from Temu. Some context. The shifting in this car is really bad. As you can see, the whole shifter moves in circles, which means that the gear shift linkage is worn out. There are many different gear shift linkage kits on the internet, but this one on Temu comes with this little ball, which I believe is from here. There are also some bushes which need to be changed in the system that's under here, so the car has to be jacked up. But I couldn't find any reliable guide on YouTube on how to do this, especially this part. I don't know what this is, I don't know what this is, I don't know what this is. So let's do this shit. Okay, I got this whole center console out. Let's see what we have here. I want to compare it with the kit I have, which is wrong, I think, because whatever this is, it's much smaller than the one I have. Let me take it out and we'll see. Okay, it seems like I have to be disconnecting something from underneath the car as well. But is my kit the correct one? Because whatever this is not the same as mine. It's smaller. Or is this for somewhere else? And what the fuck is this? This cannot be the right kit. Let me do some Googling. It's now day 2, so I managed to procrastinate one other day. But I did some Googling and I still think this is super complicated. There's like 1000 moving parts, but the kit I bought is kind of a universal kit. It's used for a Jetta, for a Golf Mk1 and Mk2, I believe, I'm not sure, but a couple of different cars. So some of the parts are correct for my Golf, but like 80% of the parts are not. So The other 30% of the parts I'll change now, and it's kind of a difficult process to record. I have to remove a lot of stuff, clean it up, change the rubber bushings, put it back in, take another one out. So it's kind of a difficult process to record. So I'll do a time lapse. Let's do this.
Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. For the case, so baby, we gonna dip. Was on bad in them apartments. Started hitting the target. Started flooding the market. Started moving smarter until we rose about the garden. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go.
So unfortunately, I don't think we will be able to do this today. I know many of you think I just don't want to do it, but I do because the shifter goes in circles. But the rust is very bad on this car. This is where I put the jack stand. As you can see, this is the wishbone of the car. And people on the internet say to put it here because this is the most reinforced area on the chassis. As you can see, there is a hole here. This is the where your feet go. Even though there is a hole here, this whole part is disintegrating. I'm even scared to touch it. So this is dangerous. I cannot be under the car at this point, which is unfortunate because I really wanted to do this, but seems like Temu fixes is not the highest on the priority list for this car. But whatever the case may be, we'll do a couple of videos on this car. I'll fix the rust, but I'll probably have someone else do it because I'm not really experienced in welding. And this is too far gone. I think it requires professional help. So I'll have someone do it. As always, expect more videos. Please subscribe if you haven't, and also please show your support in the comments. It really means a lot to me. Peace out, everyone.